Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making pumpkin and choc chip muffins. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the pumpkin and choc chip muffins. You will need 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of choc chips, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, half a cup of butter or 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 9 grams of vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cardamom. And this is how your pumpkin and choc chip muffins should look like. If you don't have the leaf and pumpkin mold, you can always use muffin liners. It's a great Thanksgiving dessert to make, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!